Did you know that you can use Elementor's website builder to create templates that you can sell or give away to your audience as a freebie from buying something from your affiliate link, for example? Elementor is a website builder inside WordPress that helps you design pages for your WooCommerce store, freelancing store, restaurants, local businesses, agencies, and so much more. But as an online business owner, you can also use it to create your own theme and templates and sell them on marketplaces such as Etsy or even on your own website. So in this video, I will talk about exactly how you can use Elementor to create a page or a section template, download it, and then sell it on these marketplaces or on your own website, and exactly how your clients will get that template and import it onto their own website so they can use it for creating their website in a really short amount of time. They will be able to customize everything that you've created in Elementor, and it is a great digital product idea for you to sell. So let's get started and see exactly how Elementor works for this. So you can log into your Elementor account, and to be able to work with templates, you will need to have Elementor installed. And when you go to editor, you will see templates right here. This is exactly where you have all your templates that you've imported. So this is exactly where your clients will be able to see the templates, and you'll be able to import templates or add new template. So now let's go ahead and see exactly how we create such a template inside Elementor, save it, download it so you can give it as a digital product to your clients. So to start creating a template, you just need to create a new page and click add page, and you go ahead and click edit with Elementor. I would suggest creating different templates for header and footer, and then for different pages such as homepage, shop page, or services page, and more. So what you need to do to create a header inside Elementor, you just create it like this because these will not be applied to your template, but just for your clarity, you can use Elementor Canvas so you can see how everything looks. So we go ahead and we add the sections. We make modifications to each section. We want to add color background, for example. We want to add something here such as social icons. I want to add them right over there. I'm making modifications to the size. Okay, and if I want to add a new container, I can do that, but I don't want to do this here. Instead, I want to add another one where I'm going to search for site logo, and it is going to add that. I'm modifying everything. And the next one is going to be my menu. So WordPress menu, post navigation, WordPress menu, and I'm choosing home menu. There we go. And I'm making all the modifications for this to look in my style or in the style or the template that I want to sell. So I'm working on colors, typography, and everything else that I want to make it my own or make it match the theme that I'm selling or that I want to sell. Choosing this one and maybe lighter, and I also want uppercase. All right, I'm also working on the margins and on the padding a little bit. It looks nice, and you can save it as a draft if you don't want to publish it. You can preview it. Looks like a normal header. I forgot to edit the hover effects. So now the background is the typography that I want. So for the hover, I just want this gray and no pointer color. All right, so I'm going to save draft. And then what you can also do is modify these social icons, colors, custom color, primary color white or no black. And there we go. So whenever somebody will apply this template to their website, they will have their own menu, their own logo, and of course they will add their own social links. So to save this as a template, you just go ahead and click Save as Template, and you give your template a name. So for example, header theme 1, so you know what it is, and saving it into site templates. Once it is saved, you can search for it here and you can find it right here. And what you can do is click on these 3 little dots and click export. This will export it as a JSON file, and this is the file that you will be able to give to your clients. And whenever somebody will then get that file, they will go to the Elementor templates. From here, they will go to editor and templates, and they will be able to import this template. So they will click on it, import it, continue. So there you go, it is imported twice. And whenever they will go on this little button here, they will be able to see it and insert it. So this goes for every single template that you build inside Elementor. You can build a full page template. So by going to create a new page, you can then go ahead and save it as a template and be able to give that away. For example, you can have a package for agency owners. You can have a package for freelancers that contains a homepage, service page, contact page, header and footer, and people can just add them to their Elementor dashboard in their templates, and then they can import them and create different pages that they can import them to. And they will just need the Hello Elementor theme to make this function, because you've used the basic theme. You haven't used any other tools rather than Elementor and Elementor 1, so that they have access to Elementor Pro widgets that you've used inside your template. This is exactly what I did with my e-commerce theme, for example, and I'm going to view this right here. And if you click edit with Elementor, this is a theme that I've created with a separate header, a separate footer, and this is the page right here that if you click save as template, you can save it to your templates, and then again, people can import it and just create a beautiful website inside Elementor using these templates. So this is exactly how easy it is to work with Elementor templates, and this is exactly how you can sell different parts that you've created inside Elementor and sell them as bundles, so as themes for people to use for their agency, freelancing businesses, WooCommerce businesses, service-based businesses, and more. So you can start creating these for restaurants, local businesses, salons, and other businesses that you know need professionally designed websites. You can sell them on Etsy, you can have your own website, because these are design templates created by you for a different type of audience that will definitely want to skip the work part and the design part and just add their own photos, text, colors, and just brand it for their business. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and let me know down in the comments if you've ever created and sold Elementor templates. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!